Well, Mr. Trump says at the rallies he doesn't want to see any of us wearing those damn masks. He thinks those masks look funny on us, and so we're not going to wear them. Mr. Trump's the president, so he knows best.
Well, if Mr. Trump says we look funny wearing those masks, we ain't gonna wear them. I don't want to look funny. You want to look funny? I want to look normal. Mr. Trump knows best.
Well, I'll sign that disclaimer saying that Mr. Trump isn't at fault if I get that virus, just because I'm shoulder to shoulder with 19,000 other people with no mask. That's what he wants.
Well, I don't care if we get the damn virus. It'd be worth it just so that we can show Mr. Trump how much we love him, no matter what.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Well, now look, Mr. Trump doesn't want us to wear any masks at the rally. And we don't want to get him mad at us. We love Mr. Trump. And we don't want to look funny in those masks. We don't want to look funny.
If you wear that mask, you'll look weird. Weird.
Mr. Trump says not to worry about those masks anymore. So we're not going to worry about them anymore. Nothing to worry about now.
I don't want to see any of those masks at my rally. Don't anybody wear a mask. You look funny wearing those masks. You look stupid. Joe Biden looks stupid wearing a mask. He looks so stupid.
If you're a patriot and you love Mr. Trump, you won't wear one of those masks. We don't want to see them.
Well, I don't think Mr. Trump would ever put us in danger for his own personal gain. Would he?
I'm Donald Trump, and I approve this message.